ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today's video, last week, walang latest vlog dahil walang internet problems. Kaya balik na ang bagong internet. For our latest vlog will be all about the TV series ends in January 2024 or this month. 3 shows lang natapos. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, and views. Aabutin ng 500 subscribers. If supported natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog for today's video, 250, episode 250, and title, Finale in January. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Para natin ang iyong highlights. Ayan, naayos po yung buhok. Kaya, January ay buwan na unang araw o unang buwan na yung ng taon. Sorry, kamali ako. Araw o buwan, that's one. January is the month of Black Nazarene sa Manila, Sinunog Festival sa Cebu, Dinagyang Festival, Iloilo, at Ati-Atian Festival sa Kalibo, Aklan. Kaya dito, we have 3 shows and say goodbye for the month of January. Yung shows na 3. Yung dalawa is from ABS-CBN Studios at isa naman ay taga-GMA. Una naman na natin ay Senior High. Senior High na high. Ends the show last January 19, 2024 starring Andrea Brillantes, Kyle Echari, Saijan Harinilan, Syra Manabat, Elijah Canlas, Daniela Straner, wow, Miggy Jimenez, Tommy Alejandrino, and I see Juan Carlos Labajo, and Jella Ataide ends the show with parang, patay na yung si Gob Acosta, parang buhay pa. Per na nag-graduate lahat ng senior high except yung mga hindi pa nag-graduate kasi dahil sa commitment. Like, Gino, may babantay kasi yung kay Gob Acosta kahit na aksidente. Si Z ay mental na siya dahil papagamot kasi for therapist. While si Opet patay na kasi may bagong show which is Pamilya Sagrado with Gray Fernandez and Pio Pascual. Makakaroon ba ng chapter 2 ang senior high? Malaman natin yan. But congratulations to the whole cast. Now, for the Pirang Piraso Paraiso, kakatapos ng show kahapon, January 27. Starring Loisa Aldario, Charlie Dizon, Alexa Ilangcan, Elise Hoson, Ronnie Alonso, Joseph Marco, and Katie Estrada with the death of Bato na parang nahulog sa hagdan. At malaya na yung tatlo. Plus, ang mommy reveal ni Hillary or Trina. Ang ganda. Kaya yan po ating Pirang Piraso ends the 161 episode while Senior High is 105. Yan. Congratulations to the Dreamscape Entertainment. And finally, Sparkle You. Ayan, sa Sparkle You, hashtag Frenemies, 8 episodes, hashtag Goes, 6 episodes, and the hashtag Sanctuary will be end kanina lang. Congratulations. 4 episode lang siya kanina. Congratulations po sa whole cast of the hashtag Sanctuary, Zephanie, Michael Sager, Matthew Uy, and Althea Ablan. Congratulations. And the whole director and the cast. We love you so much to the GMA family sa show Sparkle yun nataas ng ratings and congratulations. With 3 shows to say goodbye na yung 2024 of January and we have another new shows to replace 3 are for replace Senior High, Linla which is airing Monday to Friday, Pirang Piraso Paraiso replaced by dating shows na ABS-CBN kasi dahil after nung ito, yun na. And for Sparkle You sa GMA, replaced by Maram Matigas ng Police. Ay, Tama ba? Matigas ng puli, matalik na misis. Next Sunday. Kaya, kay Bong Navira Beauty Gonzalez. Congratulations to the whole cast and we see you soon ever. Yan po for our latest vlog then. And see you next vlog. Bye. God bless. Mwah.